Good afternoon, students. Yes, students, as you know, our topic is time. And in this lecture, students, we discuss few questions of exercise 65. Clear, students? Under time unit, we will discuss few questions. In this lecture, we will discuss few questions of exercise 65. Yes, students, in exercise 65, we discuss how we can convert days into hours, how we can convert hours into minutes and minute into seconds. So main point we'll discuss, in one day, we have 24 days. One day, points we already discussed in earlier. One day we have 24 hours. One day, 24 hours. So when we convert days into hours, whenever we convert days into hours, we will multiply by 24. Clear? In 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. 1 hour, 60 minutes. So whenever we convert hours into minutes, so we will multiply by 60. And in 1 minute, we have 60 seconds. 1 minute, 60 seconds. Clear, beta? Now, first question of exercise 65. Convert into hours. First question. Convert into hours. First, A part, 4 days. Part A, 4 days. Yes, students, now convert 4 days into hours. As you know, 1 day we have 24 hours, and in 4 days we will multiply 4 by 24. Yes, students, to convert 4 days into hours, we will multiply 24 by 4, because in 1 day we have 24 hours. Multiply 24 into 4. Now multiply and find. 24 multiplied by 4. 4 4 are 16. 1. 4 2 are 8 plus 1, 9. So your answer is 96 hours. So students, in 4 days we have 96 hours. 96 hours. Clear? Next question is 7 days. 7 days. Now convert 7 days into hours. Again, students, we will multiply by 24. 24 multiplied by 7. 24 multiplied by 7. Now here multiply 24 into 7. 7 4 are 28. 7 4 are 28. So we'll write here 8 and 2. 7 2 are 14 plus 2, 16. So answer is 168 days. In 7 days, we have 168 hours. Answer is 168 hours. Clear, students? Now, next is part C. Now, we have 16 days. Part C, 16 days. Now, students convert 16 days into hours. Again, we'll multiply by 24. 24 multiplied by 16. Now, students, subtract 24 into 16. First, 6 multiplied by 4. 6 4 24. So, write here 4 and 2. 6 2 are 5 plus 2, 40. 144. Now, in second step, we will multiply by 1. 1 multiplied by 4, we get 4. And 1 multiplied by 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 1, 3. So, students, in 16 days, we have 384 hours. 384 hours. Clear, students? Next is part D. Part D is same as 20 days. We'll multiply 24 by 20. Next is part D, 20 days. 24 multiplied by 20. 0, 0. 2 4 8. So we have 480 hours. Clear, students? Next is part is 3 days and 18 hours. Now convert part E. Now convert 3 days and 18 hours. Yes, students, in this question, we'll convert 3 days into hours. In first step, we will convert 3 days into hours. For this, students, we will multiply 24 by 3. Then add 18 hours as it is. Okay? So we'll write as 24 multiplied by 3 plus 80. First, we'll convert 3 days into hours, then add 18 hours as it is. 24 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. We'll write 2 here and 1 carry over. 3 2 are 6 plus 1, 7. When we convert 3 days into hours, we'll get 72 hours. Now, students, add 18 as it is. Now, add 18 hours. 8 plus 2, 10. 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. So, students, your answer is 90 hours. Answer is 90 hours. Clear, students? Next is Part F. Part F. 2 days and 6 hours. 2 days and 6 hours. Yes, friends. Again, in first step, we will convert 2 days into hours. First, we will convert 2 days into hours, then add 6 hours as it is. Okay. 24 multiplied by 2 plus 6. Sorry. First, 24 multiplied by 2. 2, 4 are 8. We get 48. 48. Now add 6 hours. 8 plus 6 is 14. 4 plus 1. So answer is 54 hours. In 2 days, 6 hours, we have 54 hours. Clear, students? Next is second question. Convert into minutes. Second question. Convert into minutes. Second question, first part A, 8 hours. Part A, 8 hours. Now, friends, second question is convert into minutes 8 hours. As you know, in 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. Now, convert 8 hours into minutes. So, we'll multiply 8 by 60. To convert 8 hours in minutes, we will multiply by 60 because in 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. 1 hour, 60 minutes. Now 60 multiplied by 8. We'll get 480. So answer is in 8 hours, we have 480 minutes. minutes. Clear, students? Next is 12 hours, part B. 12 hours. Now convert 12 hours into minutes. To convert 12 hours into minutes, we will multiply by 60. 60 multiplied by 12. 60 into 12. First, we will multiply by 2. 2 multiplied by 0. 0, 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. 1 multiplied by 0, 0. Then 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. Now 0, 2, 7. So students, in 12 hours, we have 720 minutes. Answer is 720 minutes. Clear, students? Next is part C, that is 24 hours. Again, students, convert to 24 hours into minutes. We will multiply by 60. Okay. Now, next is part D, 4 hours and 10 minutes. 4 hours and 10 minutes. 4 hours and 10 minutes. First, students will convert 4 hours into minutes. First, we'll convert 4 hours into minutes. So we'll multiply 60 by 4. Then add 10 minutes as it is. First is 60 multiply by 4, then plus 10. Now 60 multiplied by 4, 0. 4 multiplied by 0, 0. And 4, 6 are 24. Yes, friends. When we convert 4 hours into minutes, we'll get 240 minutes. Now add 10 minutes as it is. Plus 10. 0, 4 plus 1, 5, and 2. Yes, students. In 4 hours, 10 minutes, we have 250 minutes. 250 minutes. Clear, students? Next is part E, 6 hours and 50 minutes. Part E, 6 hours and 50 minutes. Again, students, first we'll convert 6 hours into minutes. For this, students, we will multiply 60 by 6. To convert 6 hours into minutes, we will multiply 60 by 6 and add 50 minutes as it is. Okay? 60 multiply by 6, then plus 50. Now, students, 60 multiply by 6. 6 multiply by 0, 0. 6. 6 are 36. So, students, in 6 hours, we have 360 minutes. Now add 50 minutes as it is. 6 plus 5, 11. 1. 6 plus 5, 11. And 3 plus 1, 4. So part E, our answer is 410 minutes. Clear, students? Next is part F. Now part F is 11 hours. Sorry. Part F is 11 hours and 25 minutes. 11 hours and 25 minutes. Now students, convert 11 hours in minutes and add 25 minutes as it is. Okay. 60 multiply by 11, then plus 25. Now students, 60 multiply by 11, 0, 6, 0, 6 will get 660. When we multiply by 60 by 11, we'll get 660 minutes. Now students, add 25 minutes. 660 plus 25. Now 5, 6 plus 2, 8. So we'll get 685 minutes. Clear, students? So in 11 hours, 25 minutes, we have 685 minutes. Clear, students? Yes, students, in second question, we have 9 parts. Part A to part I. So students will discuss only A to F part in this lecture. So after this lecture, you will complete second question. 3 parts are left, part G, H and I. So after this lecture, you try these 3 questions in your rough notebook. Okay. Now I'm starting third question. Now our third question is convert into seconds. Third question is convert into seconds. First part is 16 minute. Part A, 16 minute. Now students, convert 16 minutes into seconds. In 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute sorry, 1 minute 60 seconds. So again students, when we convert minutes into seconds, when we will convert minutes into second, we will multiply by 60. So in 16 minutes, we have 60 multiplied by 16. Now 60 into 16. 6 multiplied by 0, 0. 6, 6 are 36. Now in second step, we will multiply by 1. 1 multiplied by 0, 0. And 1 multiplied by 6. 0, 6 and 9. So students, in 16 minutes, we have 960 seconds. Yeah. In 16 minutes, we have 960 seconds. Next is part B. Part B. Now we have 23 minutes. Now convert 23 minutes into seconds. 23 minutes. Now friends, 23 into 60. 23 multiply by 60. First we'll multiply by 0, 0, 0. 6 multiply by 3, 18. 6 multiply by 2, 12 plus 1, 13. Clear, students? So in 23 minutes, we have 1,380 seconds. Clear, students? Next is part C. Part C. Now we have 6 minutes and 45 seconds. 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Yes, students, now convert into seconds. First, we'll convert 6 minutes into seconds, then add 45 seconds. So we'll write as 60 multiply by 6 plus 45. So 60 multiply by 6. 6 multiply by 0, 6. 6, 6 are 36. So students, in 6 minutes, we have 360 seconds. Now add 45 seconds. 360 plus 45 seconds. 0, sorry, 5, 5, 6 plus 4, 10, 3 plus 1. So we have 405 seconds. In 6 minutes and 45 seconds, we have 405 seconds. Clear, students? Next is part E. Now, students, part E, 10 minutes and 16 seconds. 10 minutes and 16 seconds. Now convert 10 minutes and 16 seconds into seconds. Again, 60 multiplied by 10 plus 16. Now 16 to 10, 600. 600 plus 16, 660. So in 10 minutes, 16 seconds, we have 616 seconds. Clear, students? Now, now last question, 5 hours. Now, students, convert 5 hours into seconds. Convert, F is 5 hours. Convert 5 hours into seconds. To convert 5 hours into seconds, students, first we will convert hour into minute. First, we will convert 5 hours into minutes. In minutes, we get 60 by 5. Yes, friends, your last question is convert 5 hours into seconds. To convert 5 hours into seconds, in first step, we'll convert 5 hours into minutes. Clear? Now 60 into 5, 0, 5, 6 are 30. So in 5 hours, we have 300 minutes. In 5 hours, we have 300 minutes. Now convert 300 minutes into seconds. 300 minutes in seconds. 300 multiplied by 60. 300 multiplied by 60. 0, 0, 0, 0 multiply 0. Now multiply by 6, 6 multiply by 0, 0, 6 multiply by 0, again 0, 6, 3 are 18. So students, in 5 hours, we have 18,000 seconds. Yes, students, in this question, first we'll convert 5 hours into minutes, then minutes into seconds. So in 5 hours, we have 1,000, in 5 hours, we have 18,000 seconds. Clear, students? So this is the last question of this exercise. So students, today your homework is complete exercise 65 in your fair notebooks. Thank you. Have a nice day.